Hi, I'm Phil Carr, an archaeologist here at USA in the Department of Sociology, Anthropology, and Social Work, all social sciences. And I'm here today to give you a few study tips on how to be successful in social science classes. First of all, in your social science class, you need to adopt critical thinking. And as opposed to being a cynic and rejecting everything, as a critical thinker, you need to have an open mind. And you need to be able to see yourself and your relationship to society in a different way, which the social sciences will often provide a variety of perspectives. The second thing you need to realize is that the social scientists themselves don't all agree. So you will need to be a critical thinker in assessing the evidence they provide for different explanations of human behavior. Next, you need to think about the approach that makes that discipline special, the methods and the language of that discipline. Knowing the bolded words in your textbook, looking for key terms in the lecture, putting those on flashcards, discussing them with a fellow student, these are great strategies for learning about the uniqueness of that discipline. You also must realize that your guides of the social sciences are essentially your textbook and your notes. And in getting information from your textbook, you shouldn't try to just read passively and say, yes, I completed the reading assignment, but actually read actively. Take the headings in your textbook and turn those into questions and seek the answers to those questions while you're doing the reading. Or perhaps take a section and write a summary in your own words so that you really understand what's going on there. Now, in terms of taking notes, the key is to attend class so you're there to hear what the professor has to say to you. And one strategy in your notes is to leave some spaces that you might fill in later with help from your textbook or help from a fellow student. Finally, I've mentioned several times a fellow student. Find someone who regularly attends class and schedule a time to meet with them in the library. There are study rooms that you can shut off and be in there to discuss key terms, approaches, methods, and what might be on the next test. I wish you all the success in your social science classes, and I hope to have you in one of my classes in a coming semester. Thanks. Bye.